camelAI is your AI database assistant that works with Postgres, BigQuery, Excel, and other data sources. It reviews your connected data source, understands your context about those sources, then answers your data analytics questions as though you have a bespoke analyst. Today, I want to know which products have the highest reorder rates. Once you ask a question, Camel gets to work, talking to your data and figuring out an answer. For transparency, you can see Camel's work, including the SQL queries it's running. As a result, Camel displays insights in the chat window and charts or data tables in the artifact panel. Let's review Camel's results for the question we asked. Starting with the artifact panel, you can slide over to view the raw data that was produced and download it as a CSV. Slide over again and check out the query that was used to get this data. Now, let's take a peek at the chat window. This is where we can see a brief analysis of the results. So here it says, most of these products have relatively low stock levels compared to their reorder points, which could indicate high demand products that sell quickly, products that need more aggressive inventory management, possible supply chain challenges. Camel also offers recommended questions and follow-ups based on its knowledge of your data. These questions are relevant specifically to the data sources you have connected, so you have support in finding where exactly the actionable insights exist within your dataset. You can tie together multiple datasets if you want to query over disparate sources, helping you find correlations you may have never considered on your own. And you can save any visualization to a dashboard. Connecting a data source takes less than 1 minute. Get started for free at camelai.com.